Hi guys, very quick video to show you how to replace the cabin filter on a Golf 7 facelift. The location of the cabin filter is actually behind the glove box, so what you'll first need to do is open the glove box. Once the glove box is open, you'll need to locate the two pull tabs that hold together your glove box. So there's one right here and the other one on the other side. And what you'll need to do is actually press up on these tabs, so as you can see they can move. You need to apply a lot of force, but you need to simultaneously pull these up and the glove box will actually fall down. I will show you how to do it. So here we go. You put your finger under here and you really put a lot of force and you put it down. So this one is already down, as you can see. So now the second one, we come over here, we do the same thing, we really push it up and here we go. The glove box just fall down in one piece. And watch out with this piece is actually very fragile, so don't put too much force when putting the glove box down, but that's all you need to do to remove the glove box. So this is the cabin filter, and to remove the front housing, all you need to do is pull down on these three tabs. You have three tabs. All you need to do is pull them down like this. Like this, you can hear it pop. So normally if you have popped everything together, it will come right off. So like this. And here you go. There's your filter. Now you take the filter out. As you can see, this one is really nasty. So I won't be needing this one anymore. Another thing you can do is check inside to see if you need to vacuum your cabin filter, but as you can see, this one is pretty clean, so I won't be needing to vacuum it. I will just replace it immediately. So this is the filter I will be replacing it with. I will put this one in the description or in the first comment of this video. Installing the new filter is pretty straightforward. You just need to slide it in, but you really need to make sure that the arrows are pointing downwards, and you just slide it in like this. And the arrows need to be pointing down, just like this. Once it is in, all you need to do is take your cover, put it into the three lower tabs and push it in, like this. Now all we need to do is put back the glove box, and the tricky part is to put this back into the hole here. So I'll try to do it with one hand, see if I can show it to you, but you need to put it like this, exactly, and it should click right in, and then you just pop it back and you're done.